how to set up a rotation proxy server, and also I will explain all the other features of my script. Okay, as you can see, I have already transferred the script into this server, test server, and before on the script, um, we need to note down a few things like our ipv4 address and the v6 subnet info, and also check the interface name. This is the interface name. Okay, just note it down and let's clear it the screen. And now make executable the script by this command chmod +x and the script name. Okay, now simply run the script. Okay, as you can see that script automatically detect the interface name, and I can see it's correct. If it is not, then we need to correct it. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, now it is asking for the v4 address of the server. Just copy, paste, hit enter. It's asking for the v6 network address. Okay, so we have /64 here, and here is the network address of this subnet. Hit enter. Now it's asking for the CID and rotation, and we have /64, so just port /6 only 64. Hit enter. Now it's asking for the pool size, I mean the rotation pool size. So let's say for this test I will generate 2000 only. Hit enter. Now it's asking for the port number of the squid, and we can go for the default, or if you want then you can change as per unit. Okay, hit enter and hit enter again. Okay, now it's start the installation and it will take some time. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Once it's finished, then I will resume it. Okay, installation has been finished. As you can see, a message, congratulations. So here is our proxy. So now let's run the script one more time to add user and test the proxy. Okay, /proxy, enter. So we can see that we have around 12 option in total. So I will explain all the feature one by one. So first let's add an user. Choose option 1, hit enter. Now it's asking for the username. Let's say test, and for the username you can choose only small letters and numbers only. No capital letters, no special character, only small letters and numbers for the username. Hit enter. Now it's asking for the validity, I mean the expiry of for the user in days. Let's say we'll set 20 days for this user test. Enter. Now it's asking for this validity. Is means that after 20 days this user cannot be used. I mean the user will be invalid and user cannot authenticate and user cannot use the proxy. Okay. So for the password you can choose anything like small letters, capital letters, underscore, special character, whatever you want. Just do not use @ sign, because it means something else for the bash script. So just do not use @, but else you can use anything, small letters, capital letters, underscore, whatever you want. Okay. For this test I will go for the simple. Let's say test 1 2 3, hit enter. Okay, you can see it successfully added user test. Okay. Now Let's see the proxy for the user. Okay, 5, option 5. Now it will ask for the username, test. So this is the proxy for the test, and it will rotate in each new request. Okay, so let's test the proxy first, whether it's working or not. Let's verify. Okay, so to test it, I have written already a while loop. Let's test the proxy. Okay, I'm going. Here's my another server, so from where we can test our proxy. I mean, we'll generate request from this server. Okay, so you can see this is the simple while loop, and this is the username, password, and this is the IP and port, and this is simple while loop, while true, then do this and done. Okay, hit enter. Let's test. Okay, you can see that in each new request it's giving us new ipv6 address as outgoing. Okay, you can see this is the network part source, so it's not changing, but this is the IP part and it's changing in each new request. So I can say that it's working perfectly. So now let me explain all other features of the script. Okay, so for option 2 it's delete user, and I will do it later. Let me explain other feature first. So the option 3 show users and expiry date. Okay, it's just showing the username and the expiry date. Okay, number 4 is modify user expiry date. It means that we can, if we want, then we can extend the expiry for the user. Let's say we want to add another 5 days for the user, so choose option 4. Now it's asking for the username. Let's say test. As we know, the user is test. Hit enter. Now it's showing the existing expiry date, so we will extend another 5 days for this user. Just put 5, hit enter. So now let's verify with option 3. We can see it's 14th February. Previously it was 9 February. You can see that. So it's working. Now option 6 and 7 are simply shut down and start. I mean, if you want to stop the proxy server, then you can simply choose option 6, and if you want to start it again, then just simply choose option 7. That's it. I'm going to skip this 2 option. You can try by yourself. Okay, and option 8 is add blacklist. Okay, so I mean, let's say you want to block some domain, and you want to block some domain so that user cannot use those domain by using its proxy, then you can simply do it by this script. Choose option 8, hit enter. Now it will ask for the domain name, let's say abc.com, and remember, you will put only the domain name, no, not URL, just as simple domain name. Okay, abc.com, hit enter. It will take some time because it will reload the squid server. Okay, it's done. You can see domain has been blacklisted. So let's verify with option 9. Okay, you can see blacklisted domain is abc.com. Now if you want to whitelist it again, then you can just choose option 10. Option 10, delete blacklist. Now it's asking for the domain. You want to whitelist again, abc.com. Enter. You see, domain is now whitelisted. So let's verify with option 9. You can see blacklist is now empty. Okay. So now go for the option 2 again. So let's if you want to delete an user, then you can simply choose option 2 and it will list down all the username. So we have only one user in this server, that is test. Just put username test and it will delete the user. Okay, you can verify with option 3. You can see we have nothing in the user list. Okay, so now option 11, only one option left, we can say. So 11 is regenerate pool. Let's say you want to regenerate the pool, I mean remove the old IPs and regenerate the IPs again. Okay, so you can simply do this with this option 11. Just choose option 11, hit enter. Now it will ask for the pool size again. Let's say previously we have generated 2000 and now you can generate any as per your need. Okay, so now let's say as it's test, so I'll just generate 200. Okay, I mean I'll generate 200, regenerate the pool about 200. Okay, just hit enter. You see, it's so fast. Now it's asking for the reboot. So once you regenerate the pool, then you must need to reboot the system. So you'll just press enter or any key, then it will reboot automatically. So that's it about the tutorial. And if you are interested about the script and you want to purchase it, then just you can simply contact me with here, Discord or Telegram, whatever. This is my username of Discord or Telegram, and you can also email me in this email. Here is the email address. So any you can put any about your queries, or if you want to modify, or if you need more features, and I can also add that. So as per your need, I will rebuild the script. So that's it for the moment, and thank you.